thank you, our media, for your coming. So I'm very glad and happy. So I hope through your channel, through your media, so let our people be know what the happening in our Tripura, what the happening in present and past, what the happening in our Tripura. So let our people be know through your channel. So that's why I thank you. So the reason why we are here today because of justice. The let Biswajit Devarma last Thursday, first November, he was murdered by non-indigenous people. So that's why we want justice. That's why we call this guy 24 hours here today. So I want to say, not only Biswajit Devarma, so many our people, I mean many indigenous people murdering, raping, torturing by non-indigenous people. So that's why we all strike here 24 hours today. So means so not only I already told that not only Biswajit Devarma, the what was the happening in our Tripura. So who are there? So who are there means who are murdered. So they should be arrested according to law. So but still not yet arrested any single one also. So that is why we the TPF we want justice and we want justice for them, so for our Biswajit Devarma. Why they are killing to our Biswajit Devarma? So that's why. So and again, so all the person who are there, they should be arrested. That is the what we are protest here. That is why we protest here today. So I told, so I want to remind our state government. This is not our work. This is a government work. The government work is who are criminal, who are doing wrong, who are faulty, who are guilty. So government should be arrested them. That is the government work. But we protest here today. We the people of Tripura and with TPF, through TPF we protest here. This is government work, but we are doing here protest for the arrested them. So that is the main thing. So I don't want to share more. I don't want to take much. So already the share our brother and sister. So that's all. Only I want to say. So thank you.
Daran ba mo ta?
Iron Jamatia.